How to fix Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely. Let's get started. Step 1. Close Epic Games processes. For that, click on the Start menu, then search for Task Manager. Once you find it, launch it. Now head over to the option Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on it, then click on the option End Task. Once you are sure it's all closed, you can close Task Manager. Step 2. Delete Epic Games folders. Launch Files, Explorer, go to C Drive, open Programs file, find Epic Games folder and delete it, then head back. Now launch the folder Program Files 86. From here as well, you'll need to find the folder Epic Games and delete it. Step 3. Download and repair. For that, you'll need to navigate to the app Epic Games. So on Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find Epic Games. Click on three dots for it, click on Install. Once it has been installed, you can launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website of Epic Games, and then download it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard Ended Prematurely. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.